Hi everyone, it's me, Einstein, from the Florida New York Stock Exchange. It's February 20th, and today was quite a wild and crazy day. I must admit. There's a lot of green on the screen. I think it's kind of powerful. I guess we traded in a range all day long, but it's significant to know that we're breaking out in a big way, right? We had a Fed day. They talked about some information that's sort of significant in the fact that the reason, so we were solid to buy all day long, right? We're approaching 2,800 in the S&P and 26,000 in the Dow, okay? I think the market opened sort of flattish down a little bit and then sort of rallied into positive territory all afternoon. We did have Fed minutes come out at 2 o'clock, and basically the market does what it usually does on those Fed days, which is it gyrates like a seagull in a hurricane. It went up 100, down 100, up 100, down 100. Always a pleasure. And that's always the way it is. It's a matter of people interpreting the Fed minutes. Not a Fed announcement, Fed minutes. And the Fed minutes basically illuminated and ruminated the situation that the reason, which is a positive thing for the markets for now, that they're not raising interest rates going into 2019 is because of a slight economic slowdown globally and domestically. So net market's been responding to the fact that we're not going to continue to raise them, that they are going to unwind the balance sheet, but they've never really headlined the fact why they're doing it. It should be no news to people that that's why they're doing it. But when they sort of curated that narrative for a little while, the market sold off 100 points. So at the end of the day, it was one of those bob and weave, up and down roller coaster days. Net at the end of the day, we ended up closing up 10 points on the Russell, up 5 points on the S&P, Dow Jones up 70. As we're approaching about 50 points away from Dow 26,000, we're probably going to see some bobbing and weaving. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Today is hump day. It is Wednesday. Oil rebounding up to the 57 level, the highest point we've seen for a while. The Dow closing at the highest point it's seen for a while. And that's it. We don't really need too much into it. We'll see what Thursday and Friday bring. For the day, it is a positive, solid day and a good response net after the market could have sold off on Fed minutes. It did not. It rallied up and closed at the high of the day. Just a little off. Anyway, that's me, NYSE Einstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange. I'll see you tomorrow.